Hello guys, it's good morning now, and today I'm going to tell you about when we speak that time we feel inferior, that what is the reason so that we feel inferior. And so today I'm addressing you when we are unable to speak anywhere with anybody, that time we feel inferior. What is the reason? And from where that our English speaking has been begun. uh, so I have a little bit knowledge, whichever I get gathered from here and there. So you can listen me. So from where this language has been started. From where actually this language wasn't from here. And when British came here in India, and they lived here about 200 years. And so that's why some people, so which was more connect than other person, learned from them. And so don't feel that you are speaking rubbish. Never. You can do. Yeah. And if we goes in other country, in Japan, in Thailand, anywhere we goes and we live there, uh, that time, and we are living there about 2 to 3 years. So we contact with them, and just like that, but we learned their language because we can understand what they are saying to us. And we can understand our language to those people. So that's why when we goes in contact with other persons for a long time, that time we can understand what they want to say to us. um, you can understand to this thing in our house also. If there's any move people, and they are trying to learn us our language. And in childhood, children also, he don't have any language, and even then he wants to learn us. He want uh, to understand us, their language, and we understand very well because we live with that children and with that person in contact and daily routine. So that's why we understand very well. So that's the reason that they those people came here, British came here. And some people with whose was uh, more contact than others, they taught that language from there. And secondly, there's two variety of people in India, that is higher lower higher higher low higher group, higher income group, and lower income group. Higher income group, which was blessed by God. uh, I know that they must hard work also, for being to yourself higher income group. And so they don't want to stand in society like as a normal person. They want to stand at a high position as ever, because that is in their culture. And they send to their children because they have lots of money. So they send to their children in foreign, and from where they learn their language. And next, second one is lower lower income group, from in which in lower income group we are sadly blessed with God. And we are more attractive than those people's. Reason is that we don't have um, such money, so that we can go anywhere for our education. And if anybody don't have anything, so um, he have curious about to go that direction, where whatever he had done. So what is the reason that in India? Because hmm, because we know that if we want to grow our future, if we want to do any job, so there's a necessary in India also, because there's this English language is a global language. It's a universal language, so that's why we will have to learn this language. And in not in other country, in India also, there's a necessity. If you are going for any good profession, so you'll have to learn that language. And yeah, when we goes in front of other experienced person, that time they insult us, they insult us because they can challenge us. And they have potential and knowledge, and as a human being they have right also to insulted us. But no, we shouldn't uh, we shouldn't dare to do other person to do like this. Nobody can insult you, because if we want, if we are saying to that person, so if we feel that time that person have dare, um, does dare to insult us, unless he can't, nobody can't. If you don't say to the other person, if you don't are allowing in their opinion, that time nobody can insult you. Up to you, your remote of your life, and you have willing to give that remote to other person. You want to hand over your life remote to other person, so you can give, otherwise nobody can interfere in your life. That everybody have personal life. And there's a two thing mm, you can do. One thing, if other person is insulted you, that time you can mm, you have to think so that you won't be insulted. And that one thing is agree, and second thing is ignore. Ignore, it's hard to do, because if we are ignoring that person, that time that person will dare next time also to insulted you. And agree, if other person is experienced than you, that time you can you can agree with them that, yeah brother, you can tell me. If you don't know anything, then you can say, brother, oh brother, you can tell me about that thing, because that is experienced person, so that's have right also. He and she has right also to say you anything, because he has knowledge about it. But you shouldn't ignore them, you should agree with them. and and at last, ignore or agree, but never ever feel bad about for you. Okay, then thank you guys. Actually, in my last vlog, that there my comment box was blocked. Was blocked, but that time um, I see that comment box, that there's comment box is off, and after that I did it. So you can comment me next time. Okay, thank you and bye bye and love you.